The way that I talk about the economy is different. I will put myself in your shoes as professionals, as business leaders and owners, and I'll provide you some really critical insights.
Hello everyone, my name is Alex Chausovsky. I'm a public speaker and consultant, and I am so excited to present at an upcoming event for your organization. My entire career, starting with early days in the business intelligence community and conducting high-end market research, through to macroeconomic forecasting and advisory, to working for a recruiting agency and building an analytics practice for them with key insights on the labor market and talent strategy, and now working for a boutique investment bank, has been centered around this idea that if you understand the key insights that data provides and are able to turn them into action, you'll have an optimal outcome. You have to be very diligent and very careful about separating the actual important data and the information that matters from the noise. And that's exactly what I deliver from the stage for a variety of audiences all over the world. I've been fortunate to speak in North America, in Europe, in Asia, and in South America. And my presentations range from small boardroom environments with less than a dozen people to large conferences and trade shows that have over 1,000 people in the audience. And all of my presentations, whether that's on the economy, on the labor market and talent strategy, on geopolitics, or on the merger and acquisition landscape, are focused on the idea of connecting the dots for business leaders and key decision makers. I help them understand everything ranging from inflation and interest rates to macroeconomic growth to industry performance. I believe that I can really bring a great deal of value to your event and to your audience by helping them take away actionable advice that they can implement within their own organizations to achieve their growth targets and the positive outcomes that they're all striving for. I'll provide you some really critical insights that will help you work on your business rather than in your business. So buckle up, everybody. It's going to be a heck of a ride. Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to talk to you about my content today. I look forward to working with you and to presenting at one of your upcoming events. Have a great day.